Good afternoon, everybody. I'm out here in uncharted waters, on the Boundary Waters, where no fisherman has ever come before. I'm out here with my good friend Drew, who is an avid muskie hunter. Here's some photos. And I told him that I was going to take him out on this bass pond long ago, many moons ago. And finally today is the day. Today he's going to be showing off his Mother Nature lures, which conveniently enough I have as well. And of course this is one of those moments I hyped up. Hey bro, I know a spot. So I'm really hoping that we do catch some 3s and 4s today. So let's see how it goes. Good weeds in here.
There's one.
Nice. Nice, Drew.
Oh.
Nice.
Largemouth.
Nice little 1 poundy. Oh no, not even. What is it? Oh yeah, a little 1 pounder. Good. Yeah.
Beauty to start the day though.
Absolute beauty. Nah. Oh, right in the schnoz, right where it should be.
Beauty. Jesus. No way. Just non-stop. Is it good one? Oh, it looks pretty decent.
Yeah, I can handle these things. Oh, or not.
Another one?
Yeah.
Holy. Oh.
That was cool. Yeah, right on. Nice.
There's a fucking shitload of them sitting on the bottom here. Jesus.
Yeah. So it's around noon hour now, and I've been catching fish non-stop, and he's deliberately trying to have a bad time and continue using this bait that don't work. So yeah, I'm just kicking it, having some lunch, having a drink, and then we'll get back out there. Hopefully the bite will turn a little bit more hot for him to catch a fish on that bait. And we're off. Yeah, they're not on the shoreline. It must be too hot. They'll probably come up when the sun starts going down again. But for now, they're like off here. Got one. Looks like a nice one too. Nice.
Just on the full paws. Oh, it's fighting good too.
What do you have? Holy, the rod bend. Oh, nice fish. On the blunt nose minnow.
Yeah, she's beautiful. Nice. On the old blunt nose minnow. Sweet fish.
Oh, I got one.
As I'm talking.
Small.
Smallmouth?
No, it's just small, that's all. It's fighting like a 10-pounder.
Nice.
Holy.
I was gonna say, that sounds like a good one. You think it is?
Yeah, yes it is actually.
You want this?
Sure. Yeah, I could use your help. Ooh.
That is a dandy, dude. Nice. That's a beauty.
Hoo, 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 hoo. I'll keep this one.
Yeah, that's good.
Yeah, that's great. This will be the last fish that we harvest today. Look at that fish. That's like a solid 3 pounds, 2.5 maybe. I think 2.5 actually. That's like a 3.
Oh, that's a good one, yeah.
Yeah. Oh.
What a beauty.
Look at that, ladies and gentlemen. Look at that. Oh my god. Oh, they kind of stink. Well, it's around 3 o'clock now. Still very hot out, but we're also hearing a lot of thunder out in the distance, which is strange because we still have blue skies, white clouds, typical nice day. Weather did say that it was calling for rain. I haven't seen any signs of it, but we have heard it. We'll probably kick it for another hour and then we'll probably zip out of here. Oh, that wind is starting to... I know. Oh, we got some gray over there. Okay, we are out of here. We got this cloud, the threatening cloud is now dropping water. So now we're gonna pack up and leave. We were gonna spend one more hour, but that ain't happening. So let's go. Yeah, that's rain. That's a whole lot of rain. Oh no! Oh, they even gave you a rain jacket.
Yeah, it's not very good though.
It's not meant for rain like this, really. No damn good. Oh my god. Lightning bolt has been right over our heads. It started there and it didn't. Okay, we got a bit of a break and some blue, but we still need to get out of here like right now, so we're leaving. All right, lightning's still going off. Boat's all packed up. We're pretty shook and wet. So yeah, that concludes the trip. If you enjoyed it, leave a like, leave a subscribe, leave a comment. We'll see you next time. Stay dry.